KMCL University, Lucknow.
Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti Language University, KMCLU, formerly KMC Urdu, Arabi Farsi University is a state university, situated in the capital of Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. The university was established under UP State Universities, Amended Act in 2009. First academic session was started in 2013. Since then the university has constantly and rapidly been expanding itself in each and every dimensions of knowledge and education, be it infrastructure, learning resources, human resource, number of faculties, and most importantly number of students. Presently the university has around 3,000 students enrolled who are getting quality education through experienced faculty members. The Department of Urdu being one of the oldest and largest departments of university with 10 regular faculty members is mentoring and assisting a sizable number of students in different levels of undergraduate, postgraduate and PhD programs. Besides interactive online and offline teaching department also organizes seminars, webinars and extension lectures for their students so that they could enhance their knowledge and also propagate it in the society. Apart from university's central library, with around 6,800 odd Urdu books and journals, department has its own library equipped with 1,500 books and a reading room with computer facility to cater the needs of students. The department is also having a language lab and a smart classroom for students to make them equipped with most recent and updated knowledge of the subject. Department of Urdu is aimed to provide quality education to their students by creating a student-centric and conducive environment for learning. We have been in the forefront in adopting the most recent and updated teaching learning process recommended by UGC and other official educational bodies. Since the beginning, department offers an Urdu honors program and adopts semester system at both undergraduate and postgraduate levels. Department is also running PhD program with around 30 students doing their research on different relevant aspects of Urdu language and literature. We are Department of Urdu, KMCLU, Lucknow. Admissions are open for BA, Honors, Urdu and MA Urdu. Apply through online or offline mode. For admission related queries, please visit university's website www.wafu.ac.in or contact office, Department of Urdu, KMCLU.
डिपार्टमेंट का कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर है 8960090109 या 7905311752। शोबा उर्दू ख्वाजा मोइनुद्दीन चिश्ती लैंग्वेज यूनिवर्सिटी उर्दू में आला और मेयारी तालीम हासिल करने के ख्वाहिशमंद तलबा का खैर मक़दम और इस्तकबाल करता है। शुक्रिया।